Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, I'm really excited for today's video because I had a major breakthrough with colored pencils, and okay, let me preface by saying, I'm aiming for photorealistic, art, colored pencil, type deal here, and I'm working hard to get to that point. For me, I'm trying not to sound like a perfect or anything. That's not the point in this video, but I am practicing color pencil. I think I am getting better at it because if you look back on several videos ago, I was trying to aim for the photorealistic and I thought I could do it and type deal, but the thing is, I was thinking my skin tone's very yellow and very orange, and that's not the way to go about it. Now that I know a little bit more about color pencils and getting kind of a little bit, I wouldn't say confident, but I'm to the point where I'm comfortable with color pencils enough to say that I'm comfortable with it as the ballpoint pen, because I've been doing several color portraits, pencil portraits this weekend. With that being said, I owe that to Skillshare, and Skillshare explained it so well that I was able to understand it. For this long intro, let me go ahead and show you color pencil work. This video, by the way, is going to be me doing some colored pencil portraits and showing you my work. If you guys, I've been seeing new faces to my channel, so welcome to everyone. I'm Anna's Charlie's channel. Normally I would do cartoons, but I really wanted to improve my portraits and portraiture and getting my portraits down. And I'm into into ballpoint pens and ballpoint pen work, color pencil work. It's just, I'm finding color pencil relaxing and having a lot of fun with it. So further ado, let me show you what I've been trying to show you. So for the first one, I'm going to show you two color pencils before I really studied on the skin tones and everything, which is these two right here. Now, I'm so proud of these portraits I've done here, and this is like my practice sketchbook portraits, and this is supposed to be Justin Bieber here. I think I got him, but again, I wasn't really trying to go for brightness or anything, but and then here I was like, for this process right here, this was before I knew starting very lightly and trying to get the tones with brown, and I've been using a lot of cream and seashell pink, but here I was starting with dark to light for the portraits. Now they are so good. I count these as studies a little bit. You'll see why in a second. But let's see. Now, the ones after a few Skillshare classes of photorealism and, color pencil work, I will be doing this one in today's video, and then this one I'm very proud of. This took me several hours tonight, playing around with colored pencils, seeing what I can do, and everything, and I'm just very proud of it. I think this is as closest to photorealism I could get so far, and I think I like the shading, and it's very artistic, and I was like very happy with it. So I thought that was an improvement compared to the last two I showed you. Now for this one right here is supposed to be Hemsworth, but I took these techniques and pressing with this one as well. So I'll be doing a little speed drawing and trying to finish the portrait on the camera for you guys. I know I started on the eyes already, but this is just a practice run as well, and I'm just very proud of these two portraits, I think. And then also I had done ignore this one. That was the start of the portrait, and I had done this one from Pinterest, and I was very proud of it as well. I think she also looks photorealistic a little bit, but and I probably would say to use photorealistic mostly because I'm still learning color pencil. I'm not the greatest, and I'm not trying to say that. But I work hard, and I want to learn a new medium and try to learn and everything that I basically get my hands on. Think of the skill set I put here. Think of what I could do with my ballpoint pens. I mean, I'm so excited to try ballpoint pen work. Then also, sorry for the long intro, guys. I'm working on Taylor Swift's big drawing here, and I'm going well so far. I think I got this face a little bit too wide, but I can add hair or something, like where the shadow goes a little bit, so you can always adjust that as I continue. I thought about working on this one because it's probably the most exciting one I have going on so far in speed drawing part, but yeah, and also I'll be back with some tips and tricks on what you could do with colored pencil. I really don't know a ton about colored pencils, so I'm trying to put my main point here, but I am learning some to get me started, so we'll say that right there, and let's get on with today's video. Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to go over with some basic tips and tricks with colored pencils that you might not have thought of. Now, I wanted to go over the sharpeners and everything as well. What I like to use for sharpeners, if I can find it on my messy desk. And I know you're probably going to say, clean your desk off. For the main sharpeners I like to use are these basic ones. For color pencils, and they make a really, really sharp point. And I will sharpen that right now and show you. And these are my favorite sharpeners for color pencils. I tried every sharpener you can think of. I tried the Prismacolor color sharpener, but I didn't like it because the point always broken and didn't like it. But these sharpen really, really good. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Really put this over here, which is my next point in a minute. But this sharpener, and just a basic sharpener you'll get in a drawing kit or anything that you'll find. But look how sharp that is. Like, this is, you know, a really good sharpener. And who would have thought, like, you know, a cheap sharpener like this. And now, this is not like a blending color pencil video or anything like that. But if you want to have, like, instead of leaving your sharpener and throwing it away in the trash can every time, why not have a lid to a jar or like a, I don't know, jar or something where you put the shavings in and your color and your tin, and then after, it's called laziness, to be honest, guys, to throw all your shavings away so you don't have to keep getting out of your chair and throwing it away. Yeah, it's called laziness, and I just found my work a way around it, and I just thought it'd be a useful tip for some of you who do color pencil work. Just have a lid or something. I don't know why. And another tip I like to give for color pencil to save the lead on your color pencil, which I've been fighting a lot on, which is very helpful to keep the edge of your pencil sharp. Turn the pencil, like, it's magic. And if you turn the pencil and you draw and it gets dull, you know, you still have a sharp point, and it will save you from sharpening. Now, I'm not saying it will save you from sharpening all the time, but it will just, it helps keep your pencil sharp. Now, for the Prismacolor color pencils I like to use are the Prismacolor Pencil Premier, even though this one in my hand is color. I love Prismacolor Pencil Premier because it has a wax base. It'll blend a lot easily and when it's sharp, and that's what I like to use for my color pencil portraits. So now that I rambled on, let's go ahead and get to the drawing part of the video. And guys, thank you so much for watching and everything, and subscribing to my channel. than some new people. I hope you guys enjoy the work today, and if you are drawing, draw along with me and tag me on Instagram, MulaAnnas08, and I'll love to see your work and check you guys out as well and like your posts. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I think for today's video, to motivate myself to finish this portrait, this is taking around 3 hours, 2 hours, around 2 hours to do. Worked on some of it on camera for you guys. I'm still very proud of that one. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get started with the drawing. I'm very hyper today. I don't know why. Maybe because I just eaten. Well, anyways, let's get on with it.